Welcome back, it's Alpha from Alpha Coding. Today we'll be creating the enemy AI. So if you are close to the enemy will find the closest path to get to you. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. First, we gotta create an object, call it OBJ grid. OBJ grid, we don't have to assign any sprite to it. Okay, we add a create event. Let's maximize. The first variable that will be creating is the cell height and the cell width. So it will be var cell underscore width. The cell width will be 32 by 32 since we are using a 32 by 32 sprite. So if you guys are using 64, you can create the cell width and the cell height as 64. Var cell height and will be the horizontal cell and the vertical cell, so the enemy can find the quickest route as possible to get to you. So it will be var each cell equal room width slash divide, it is known as divide, cell and cell width. And we will do the same thing for the vertical cell. Var v cell equal to the room height divided by the cell height. Now we'll be creating a global variable called global grid. Global dot grid, and now will be mp grid create will equal to mp mp open bracket 0 be 8 cell h 8 cell comma v cell comma cell width and cell height. Semicolon to end, and the last variable that will be created is, no, it won't be a variable. The last thing we'll put in the create event is mp grid add instance mp underscore instances. Sorry, it will be adding the global dot grid what will the enemy collide into. If you guys have OBJ wall, you should put it but since I'm using obj collision, I will put obj collision and false. And yeah, I think that's it. That should be in the grid. So in the obj grid we have the var cell width, the cell height, that is the pixel that you're using for the height and width of the enemy and the wall, or the collision, that anything that you're colliding into, the enemy I should say. Now let's go into the object enemy. Add event. Go in the create event. We'll be creating two variables. Maximize. Okay. To be the walk. Oh, come on. Walk SPD equal to 2. That will be the walk speed of the enemy, and the path equal path underscore add. And add the step event. Maximize the step. Okay, we'll be creating two new variables, which is the cx, which is the cell x, and the cell y. C var equal cx, my bad, var cx equal obj underscore player dot x divided by 32. Go outside the parentheses, multiply by 32 plus 16 plus 16. And for the cy we'll do the same thing, only thing it will be for the obj player dot y. Cy equal divided by 32 plus 16. Now if statement, if distance to object and the object that it will be checking for is obj underscore player. If it's less than 30, and mp underscore grid path to be the global dot grid path x and y and cx and cy and 1. So path start. B path, and the speed that you want it to move, which the variable we created for it was walk, SPD, then path, let's call it action, stop, to be false. Okay, so I think that's all the code we need, and we'll be running the game and see. But what this line of code does is, if distance to OBJ player is less than 300, then the enemy will start moving towards the player in the quickest way as possible. But if it's greater than 300, then the OBJ enemy will not move, so it will be one place. If you go close to it, it will start following you. Okay, let's run the game and see if everything works as we planned. Okay, so this is my player to the right hand side and OBJ enemy. Okay, so if we move whenever, OBJ enemy line 4, in the step line 4. Okay, let's see what was the problem. Okay, I remember that I didn't put the OBJ grid. I didn't put the OBJ grid in the room, so you got to put the grid inside the room. So you draw the OBJ grid inside the room. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm sorry for my simple mistakes. I totally forgot it, that the grid should be inside the room. Okay, now as you can see, my player to the right, as I said before, and the enemy to the left. So if I get close to it, it will find the quickest route as possible to get to me. You can see he's moving, trying to find. He turned back because he's find out that that route is quicker. Turn back again. Okay guys, and that would be it for this video. If you guys enjoy, please remember to subscribe, leave a like to my channel, and comment down below. Thank you.